Welcome to Health and Wealth Unite radio show, and I'm your host, Adrian. Boosting your credit score is a common thing now. Everybody's trying to find the very fast way to increase their score 40, 50, 100, some 100 points at a time. So I'm here to let you know there is a new thing going on March the 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Something shifted in the Credit Score Bureau, and I'm here to tell you how. Want to boost your credit score 40 points fast? Using the credit score, like I said, is a common thing from getting hired, or they're using your credit score for car insurance, or making that major purchase like buying a car or buying a home. Do you realize what is the average credit score in the United States? In 2024, the average credit score was 715. Nearly 71% of Americans' credit score was 670 or higher in 2024. What is your age group? Where do you fall in this category? If you're in the ages of 18 to 26, your average credit score is 680. And if you fall in the age group at 40 to 55, your credit score average is 699. Again, you're listening to Health and Wealth Unite. I am your host, Adrian. If you haven't already click the like or subscribe button, I ask you to click the like and subscribe button right now, as I am diving in and let you know how you can increase your credit score 40, some 50, some 60 points very fast. Boosting your credit score is, again, a most common thing around here. There's plenty of people out there uh, asking you to click on the link or download the app, and they can help you manage your credit, how to eliminate it, how to talk to the creditors to eliminate it. But let me let you know, on March the 15th, 2020, March the 17th, 2025, it was announced that medical bills will not be reported to the credit bureaus any longer. That any medical bills that you have on uh, your credit or reported to the credit bureau, it will be moving. It will be removed. Moving forward, medical bills will no longer be a factor that will affect your credit score, as the creditors can't report them to the credit bureau. This doesn't mean that your credit was this medical bill this disappeared and you don't have to pay. You still have to pay for the medical bills, and you need to arrange repayment, a payment plan in order for you to pay off that medical bill. It is recommended to check your credit score or check your credit on the Equifax or whatever credit thing you use, Credit Karma, whatever you use, to ensure that the medical bills that you did have on your credit score has been removed, and see if your credit score increased 40 or more points. The credit score, is influenced by a lot of things, has a lot of factors, paying your bills on time. Um, the longer you have a certain amount of debt can factor your credit score. But do you know what are some of the most common things that affects your credit score negatively? Let me tell you. Missing paying a payment, or paying the payment late, 30 days or more days late, that can affect your credit score negatively. Your payment history. affects it, 35% of it on your credit score. Making the most of it is a significant factor. Every single missed payment can be a noticeable hit on your credit score. Like I said, medical bills is one of those things that can impact your credit score, which is called unpaid debt. Unpaid debt, like you get evicted and you don't pay the rent, the medical bills. So as of now, March the 17th, 2025, medical bills will no longer be a factor of influencing your credit score negatively. That is a wonderful, wonderful news that we heard. So, what do you do with all this stuff? You know, we all fall on difficult times, hard times, and it's hard to just maintain the essential bills and the challenges of your household. So, with this change, what are you going to do? You're going to get 40 or more points added to your credit score. With this, you can now it can now put you in a good place where you can be able to attain that car loan, be able to increase your credit limit on your credit card if you need that, or lower your interest rate on your credit card or your mortgage, or put you in a good position to purchase that big ticket item and not pay a high interest rate. Again, you have been listening to Adrian. I am Health and Wealth Unite. This is Health and Wealth Unite show. We are talking about how you can increase your credit score 40 points or more. And I was letting you know that on March the 17th, 2025, medical bills will no longer be able to be reported to your credit score. So, what do you do with all this great information? It is important and it is advisable to start paying your bills on time. Set a budget up to maintain a good payment history. Work towards eliminating this old debt that continues to impact your credit score. And be able to, when you set up that budget, to make sure that you pay your bills on time, because that would help boost your credit score even more. I would like to say thank you for tuning in and listening to me. I'm your host, Adrian, and this is Health and Wealth Unite show. Um, let's do something different in 2025 to boost your credit score even more now that you may receive your 40 points or more increase with removing your medical debt off your credit score. Just click the link below and set up a free consultation with me to help. I will help you form a budget, or if you have not completed your estate planning for your family, for you and your family legacy, do that again. Click that link below and remember that you are your greatest asset.